Hi everyone, welcome back to Chiaki's Recipe Lab. In this video, we continue the YAKUZEN Recipe series. Today we are going to make mackerel pasta. You can use fresh mackerel, but that is much easier with canned mackerel. We have so many choices in Japan, but I chose most simple mackerel can this time. Okay, let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients you will need. Pasta, cabbage, lemon, basil, garlic, canned mackerel, and salt and pepper. First, make a chopped garlic. 1, 2, 3. Put it in the frying pan and a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Now we have added the garlic flavor. We need to get it into the cabbage. You can cut with knives, but we are going to break it up by hand today. It's easy to do and today's cabbage was soft, so don't need a knife. Okay, time to add canned mackerel. The bone inside are already very soft, so you can eat them. But if you are serving this dish to little kids, it is best to take them out just in case. Add a little of the canned soup and some fresh basil. I'm going to use gluten-free pasta today, but of course you can use standard wheat pasta. With either pasta, make sure to salt the water because it really helps the overall taste of the dish. I follow the common practice in Italy, where they make the water about as salty as the ocean. Once the pasta is al dente, move it straight from that hot boiling water into the pan with our sauce. This way it is faster and you will transfer a little of the pasta water. The salt in the pasta water will season our sauce and the starch will thicken up. We add the fresh lemon juice and mix it well. Okay, make sure to give it a quick taste. Seems you could use a touch more salt to bring it all together. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like this video, please comment below and make sure to subscribe to our channel. If there is something you want me to try or a recipe you want to see, let me know in a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Yummy! Yummy!
In the next video, we will continue the YAKUZEN Recipe series. So make sure to check it out. See you then. Bye!